Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Low miles. Features also include rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2015 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, FWD, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.